August 2024 brought unusual levels of precipitation to Utah County, leading to significant flooding. This event raises important questions. What were the underlying causes of this flooding, and what preventative measures can be implemented to mitigate similar events in the future? The answer lies, in part, in a process known as sedimentation. Sedimentation is a fundamental process where solid particles separate and settle out of a fluid. To illustrate this, consider a water sample taken directly from Utah Lake. After agitating the sample, you can observe how, over time, particles such as dirt, sediment, and organic matter gradually descend and accumulate at the bottom. Storm drain systems are engineered to utilize the principle of sedimentation. Typically, the outflow pipe in a storm drain is positioned at a mid-level height within the drain structure. This design allows storm water entering the drain to undergo a settling process before being discharged into receiving waters. The intended operational procedure involves regular inspections and routine cleanings of these drains. During maintenance, accumulated sediment is removed either manually or with specialized equipment like vac trucks, ensuring the system's continued effectiveness. After an extended period of over 25 years, Utah has officially emerged from drought conditions. However, the prolonged drought inadvertently led to a lapse in crucial storm drain maintenance and cleaning. The lack of consistent precipitation diminished the perceived urgency for upkeep. The existing stormwater infrastructure, burdened by years of accumulated sediment, was inadequately prepared. The storm drains became overwhelmed, stirring up years of accumulated debris and ultimately overflowed, impacting streets, businesses, and residential areas. Utah's longtime stormwater management adage, "We all live downstream," resonated with a particular force during the August flooding.